Nature, textures for touching. In the wood, a tangle of shapes and colours is where this new trend sets out. From the knotty joints of the branches are born sweaters with large stitches and weaves of extreme evidence. Plants closed and thorny, petals thick and fleshy. Here is where destiny to be worn begins. Elements of nature and ordinary objects meet and overlap in bizarre compositions. Coarse and rustic details are perceived with the naked eye. Fabrics with a rebuffing and matted appearance reveal fine, precious threads. Tortuous grids, overlapping bark effect, tangles of flowers and dead branches. Everything contributes to creating volumes and thicknesses. Green, red, yellow ochre, warm autumn hues for a style that finds meaning only in its renewed relation with nature. Nature that claims its space even in the metropolises, contexts often hostile to its presence. Gardens vertical, suspended and hanging. Greenery's new resistance in and against cement. Fashion is experienced as matter, dense and intricate. Main reference, the wood, in all its multiplicity of aspects. In the wood, a revisited Little Red Riding Hood roams with a snug green jacket and balloon skirt. In the wood, we meet one another dressed in perfect English country style, complete with fur stole and collar, ready for an oxygenating and regenerating day. The man looks for and finds warmth among Scottish plaids, smooth fabrics favouring mossy green tones, and knitted garments stratified even in the colour from red to orange. The accessory embraces and valorises. The bag, roomy and soft, takes on the appearance of a plaid, complete with fringes. Hats, collars and stoles create important effects of volume. The shoe, too, rediscovers the pleasure of relief, and the leather ankle boot is enhanced by frogs. The symbiosis between man and nature takes shape in a makeup with warm colours, tending to dark and brightened by golden dusts that burst forth like the sun among the branches of the wood. If nature is wild, the complexion must be healthy and the skin of the face well protected. On the eyes, earth tones are associated with black and with translucent smoke. Eyelashes and eyebrows are thick as briars, capturing the gaze of others. The mouth is left natural, so as not to distract from the intensity of the look. Soft profiles and flashes of light give the proposals of Italian-style Framesi marvellous warmth. The spirit of the trend is expressed in a complete balance between the hand of the stylist and the effect of hair left natural. Cut, colour and styling give life to tresses bleached by the sun and free, with locks that escape here and there, co-protagonists of a journey into the wild. Wild nature.